Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to reset forgotten Samsung account password on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on sign into your Galaxy. From here, just tap on forgot password or don't have an account. Then select forgot password. Now just enter your account ID. After that, just tap on continue. Now for the two-step verification, just enter your phone number. Now once you verify your phone number, just tap on continue. Now it is asking you to choose how you want to verify that it is your Samsung account. Now currently we are using email verification. Now just tap on continue. Now just go to your home screen and open Gmail. Now just open this Gmail and tap on reset password. Now from here, just create a new password for your Samsung account. Now after that, just confirm your password. Now once you confirm your password, just tap on next. And as you can see, the password has been reset successfully. Now just wait for a few minutes, then tap on sign in. Now just tap on sign in with your account ID and select sign in with Google. From here, just enter your email or phone number. Now once you enter your Gmail account, just tap on next. Now just enter your new password. Then tap on next. Now just tap on send code. 6346678. Now as you can see, I have received my verification code through a phone call. Now once you receive your verification code, just enter your verification code right here. Then tap on verify. Now as you can see, we have successfully reset our Samsung account password. Now just go to your home screen and open settings. From here, just tap on sign in with Google and select your Google account. Now just select I have read and agreed to all of the above. Now as you can see, this is how you can reset forgotten Samsung account password on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.